Hello everybody, today we'll work on mobility of a middle sleeve and how to do this sleeve. I will show you now. Good stretch and this will not for that. But we will start. So we take one leg more, another, and starting working. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take breathe and go to our legs. 1, 3, 4, and 5. Stay. 1, 2, 3, left, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work and change. So let's start from left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Work with the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, take left and work with hips. So turn 1 hip and back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good work. And now slowly go behind. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And go and take our legs up and down. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Take more hip behind. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly take back leg and work to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 9, and last one, 10. Good work. Take a little breathe. Slowly breathe out. And go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you support for me. Your support best if you like to post. Thank you. Bye guys.